Guys, this is Yash Rathore from IT Tech. Today we will talk about the difference between biodata, CV or resume and which is right for you. Whether you are a fresh graduate or an experienced job seeker, it is important to know the difference between biodata, CV or resume. Someone seeking a job should know if they should have a CV or a resume. While biodata is self-explanatory, job seekers often get confused between resume and CV and which one to use in their quest for a suitable job. In this video, we will explain the difference between the three. First of all, we will talk about biodata. A biodata is the short form for biographical data in which include your personal information like birth date, gender, religion, residence, etc. other than education and experience. Biodata are preferred by companies when hiring for interns since biodata does not necessarily require professional experience. First-time job seekers can also use a biodata. Experienced job seekers should also keep a biodata ready since some companies seek biodata instead of a CV or a resume from applicants and have their own questionnaires to determine candidates' eligibility for the vacancy. Resume. Resume is ideally 1 or 2 pages long. It is a straight to the point document which can be tailored as per the requirement of a specific job. A resume should kept short, ideally 1 page, but can be extended up to 2 pages if there are enough relevant information which can add value to your job application. In a resume, only those aspects of work experience and skills are mentioned which are relevant to the job. A good resume will highlight a candidate's contributions and achievements at their previous and current workplace. And this is the third and last, CV. A CV is an in-depth document which describes a candidate's career in detail. A CV has a comprehensive description of everything a candidate has done including all their achievements, publications, awards, etc. A CV should be updated every time a candidate accomplishes something new. In some countries, CV is used only when applying for an academic or a research position. There is no specific rule about how long a CV should be. It can range from anywhere between 2 and 8 pages. तो आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही।